What if your phone could turn into a super organized brain? Today I'm showing you 3 best free note-taking apps for Android in 2026 to help you organize your life like a pro. At number 3, we've got Notion, the all-in-one AI-powered productivity app with a 4.6 star rating and over 10 million installs. Main features: Notion is basically your digital brain. You can write notes, build to-do lists, manage full projects, and even run entire team workflows, all in one clean workspace. It gives you customizable pages, templates, and databases so you can organize literally anything your way. And here's where it gets crazy: Notion AI. You can ask it to summarize notes, generate ideas, write content, or even break down complex tasks instantly. It's like having a smart assistant built right inside your workspace. Whether you're a student tracking classes, a freelancer managing clients, or a team running projects, Notion adapts to you, not the other way around. That's why millions use it daily, because it replaces multiple apps and keeps everything in one place without the chaos. At number 2, we have Microsoft OneNote with a powerful 4.5 rating and over 1 billion installs worldwide. This isn't just a normal note app, it's a full digital workspace. You can type, draw, or even write like a real pen using digital ink. It also comes with AI-powered copilot features that can summarize your meetings, classes, or long notes in seconds. And here's where it gets crazy. You can scan documents and instantly extract text using your camera. Plus, voice transcription lets you turn speech into clean, organized notes automatically. Even better, everything syncs across all your devices: phone, tablet, or PC. So your notes are always with you. Students use it for studying, professionals use it for meetings, and creators use it to capture ideas instantly. It's basically your all-in-one digital notebook that never gets lost. Number 1, we've got Google Keep, Notes and Lists, one of the most powerful and simple note-taking apps on the planet, with a 4.5 star rating and over 1 billion installs. This isn't just a basic notes app, it's your personal digital brain. You can quickly type notes, build to-do lists, or even snap photos of documents, receipts, or posters and save them instantly. Running late? Just record a voice memo, and Google Keep will automatically transcribe it into text, no typing needed. And here's the game changer: everything syncs instantly across your phone, tablet, computer, and even Wear OS, so your notes are always with you. You can color code your notes, add labels, and organize everything so cleanly that finding anything takes seconds. Plus, reminders pop up exactly when and where you need them, like your grocery list appearing right when you enter the store. Even better, you can share notes and collaborate in real time, perfect for planning trips, events, or daily tasks with friends and family. So, which of these note apps is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing Android app recommendations.